James with Explorer Americana here. We're here in Ottawa, Kansas, in front of the Old Depot Museum. Let's go in and check it out.
What is that?
This building was constructed in 1888 and served as division headquarters of the Southern Kansas Railway. It's pretty neat. Train set. Model train. This is really well done. Here comes the train. Oh, it's going down the tunnel.
Here it goes. It's about to come back.
Oh, look at there. There's the
Hey, Daddy.
there's the train
That's
depot.
a bridge. It's almost here. There it goes. Here's one.
There it is.
Hey.
How
that's
cool
it.
is
What
that?
about that one over there? Those are first.
This would be, I think this is downtown Ottawa. Right here. Yeah, farm in the middle. Going through some mountains. Looks like we got a carnival going on over there. Check out this old locomotive headlight, number 75. Wonder what this came out, what kind of train this came off of. It says the Pyle National Company, Chicago. A lamp. Here's a relic from the past. I'm wanting to say that this is maybe Warren G. Harding, but I'm not 100% sure. So if you guys want to let me know in the comments below if you know who this gentleman is. Look at the structure of this place. Go upstairs here in a few minutes.
Look, there's the bell. That's the...
Wow, so much history in here. The Grand Army of the Republic.
Open, Daddy.
There's
Why
a
is this one open?
World War II uniform.
Hey, Daddy.
Today we celebrate June the 6th,
Daddy.
D-Day.
Is that an elevator here?
Oh, check this out. That's an old soda fountain. Look at this. This is so cool.
Look at these. I can sit.
Yeah.
I love sitting here. These are weather keepers.
Yeah. This is how you would go to a soda fountain to get ice cream or get a soda made.
Or
They sell Bennett's ice cream because it's better.
we can get coffee. Like that.
Well, yes, we could get coffee. Here's a picture view from behind the soda fountain counter at Briscoe Drug Store, location 100 block of South Main. This was around 1949 with Ruth and Guy Briscoe and their 9-year-old son Terry. Pepsi
Daddy.
sign there. Wow, look at that. That is so cool. Check out the silverware.
Guy.
That is a big guy.
We don't have anything.
Oh, look. This is Ferdinand Stoltz family parlor. Look at.
I can't get anywhere.
That's right. We have to stay back. Oh, look. There's like a tin.
Hey, there's a chair with doggies.
Oh, we call it like a tin type tin. I don't know what that would be called, but of Abraham Lincoln.
Where we could close anything? Where we could close somewhere?
This is
Where we could
amazing.
Oh, here. I found something.
An old piano. This is how parlor.
I found something. I found
A uniform from the Spanish-American War.
Oh, Daddy, come over here.
Saber.
What's over here?
Oh, you can't push on that, buddy. Hey, please stop. Don't pull on that.
I'm not here.
Check out this old classroom. This old desk. Old, original
I want to go there.
wooden desk. And a stove. Keep the kids warm. 1914.
Daddy, I found some sneeze notes.
Check this store out. This is so cool. What are those things? Never seen anything like that before. Box matches. Some dolls.
I'm afraid.
Oh, Uncle Sam.
Hey, there's
Oh.
a train over there.
Moxie sign hidden behind that ladder.
I don't see Moxie. Where is he?
What else do we have
Somewhere
here?
here. I can't find him.
Some tobacco tins. There's a bust of
Daddy,
Abraham
I found some
Lincoln?
checkers. Daddy, I found some checkers.
There. Oh, yes, you did. There are some checkers right there. That's pretty cool.
I love checkers. We could do some checkers tomorrow in here.
Yeah. Check out the stove. Wow, that's beautiful. Man. Oh, phone. Civil War stuff. Couple muskets.
Cabinet, Daddy. Daddy, look over here. I found the cabinet. Hey, I found the cabinet.
It's like busted
Hey, I found
granite.
the cabinet.
That does it here at the Old Depot Museum. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please hit that like and subscribe button to keep up with future videos. Have a good one.